back. In this class we are going to see how to count and display even and odd length words separately. Let us go to the Python window. Let us start with the command line. Count and display even and odd length words. Let me take the input from the user. St is equal to input of, prompting the user, enter the string. As we need to count the even length words and odd length words separately, we will create two variables, count of odd, count of even. In the beginning it is going to be 0. So I initialized as 0. Similar way, to display these strings separately, I will create two strings, sto, which is for odd, and then ste, which is for even, and then this will be empty in the beginning. So as I need to work on the words, I will split the string stl is equal to st dot split off. Now I will be traversing the list for I in stl. Now I is word when the for loop runs. I will be checking the length of the word. So if len of I, whether it is odd, so I will check by divisibility test mod 2 equal to 1, then this is going to be odd number, then it is true. So what I am going to do is I am going to count into CO. So CO plus equal to 1. I will also add this word to the new string, which is sto plus equal to I. Then if I need comma, I can give comma with this. If it is not odd, it is going to be even. So I can put it in the else part. Else ce plus equal to 1. Then ste plus equal to I plus comma there. So when the for loop completes, all the even words are counted and then put it into ste. Similar way, odd numbers in CO and sto. Now let us print. Let me have one blank line. For that purpose I give \n, which is escape sequence. So it leaves one blank line. Number of odd length words, it is CO. Now let me print the words odd length words sto. Similar way I can do for the even counts. Just I change this to even, and then it is going to be CE. Even length words is going to be STE. It is so simple program. Let us try running this. It is summer now. So number of odd length words 1, that is now. Even length words 3, that is it is summer. Hope this program is so clear to you. Keep learning programming by watching my videos. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.